Are you ready to harness the power of AI and transform your email marketing into a lean, mean, revenue-boosting machine? Welcome to the future of email campaigns, where every send is smarter, every click is counted, and every customer feels like the VIP they are. Picture this: your emails, perfectly timed, landing in inboxes at just the right moment. Your messages, so relevant, they seem to read your customers' minds. With AI insights for email marketing, this isn't just a dream, it's your new reality. We're talking hyper-personalization at scale, predictive analytics that forecast campaign success, and automated workflows that free you up to focus on creative strategy. No more guesswork, no more maybes. Just clear, actionable insights that drive growth and keep your subscribers craving more. But wait, there's more? Imagine reducing your bounce rates to the floor and watching your open rates soar. AI Insights doesn't just give you the data, it gives you the power to act on it, refining your approach with every campaign for results that get better and better. No more sifting through spreadsheets. No more head-scratching over A/B tests. AI Insights for email marketing gives you the clarity to cut through the noise and the confidence to press send, knowing you're delivering content that clicks. And the best part? You don't have to be a data scientist to make it work. Our intuitive platform turns complex data into simple, straightforward strategies that anyone can execute with ease. That's right. You can be an email marketing rockstar, and we'll show you how. So, whether you're a small business owner, a marketing maverick, or an enterprise executive, it's time to amp up your email game. Say goodbye to campaigns that crash and burn, and hello to emails that earn attention, earn trust, and most importantly, earn revenue. Ready to make every email count? Dive into the data-driven world of AI Insights for email marketing. Connect with us today, and let's start growing your business one click at a time. Where AI meets ROI, that's where you'll find us. Join the revolution. Your emails will never be the same again. More information via the link in the description.